Assalamu alaikum. I am FDM Sayem. Today I am going to share with how I become a successful digital marketer in just 3 months. If you dream of building your future by working online, then this video is for you. I am a young person from Bangladesh. Like many of you, I had a dream, financial freedom and time freedom. I was very interested in online income. So I start learning digital marketing step by step. No shortcut, just smart work, hard work and constancy. I began learning through various free and paid courses online. I mostly focus Facebook ads, search engine optimize, and social media marketing and graphics design or video editor. Sometimes I failed, but I learned from those mistakes and improved myself. Just after 1 month, I got my first small client from Facebook. And in only 3 months, I worked with more than client or I helped them with online building, content strategy, and increasing. Now I manage ad campaign, create content, plan, and build online. Digital marketing has changed my life and believe it can change your life. If you want to be successful like me, remember these 3 tips. Learn every day, never stop learning, practice regularly, build your own project, market yourself on Facebook, Fiverr, other platform. Don't wait for the perfect time, start now. If I can do it, you can too. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I am FDM Sayem, signing off.